Perfect. Perfect.
What up, Dote fam? Your boy here with another video. Today we're starting out the day at Ruby's Customs. We're over here working at the Mamalona. If you guys don't know yet, I am getting the truck bagged, just in the rear for now. So let's check out the process on that, and yeah, let's get it, guys.
What? Target? Yeah. I think a Ford.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
High out garage, homie.
You can check out all their builds and their paint jobs.
It's gonna be done in 2 weeks. Hopefully. Don't want to do this.
Meanwhile, at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
The next day.
Alright guys, well, there you have it. The Mamalona has been bagged. As you can tell, I'm tucking more than usual. I'm not laying frame, guys, because I'm not Ford linked yet. I still have my stock suspension in the rear, but I am saving up to Ford link the truck, so that is the next step. Right now I do just have the bags with the compressor and the tank in the back, and I still have my leaf springs, as you can tell. I just did it this way, ready, so everything's pretty much just set up for Ford link. Once I'm ready, I just gotta remove the leaf springs and replace it with the Ford link suspension and everything. But the only reason I did it this way was for time. I do use this truck almost every day, so I didn't want it at the shop, you know, for 2 weeks or whatever, how long it takes. And I figured if I did the bags first, that's one thing already out of the way, and then whenever I'm ready for the Ford link, then I can just leave it for the rest of the time instead of having it there for the full setup and it taking longer. But yeah, let's start up the truck. Let's let the compressor run, fill up the tank, because I was using it earlier. I'll post a video of me showing my mom the bags on my truck and her impressions of it. But yeah, let me turn on the truck and let the compressor run, fill up the tank, and then I'll show you guys how it works.
Siéntate, Cheyenne. Siéntate. Go.
Mau, ¿qué hiciste? Es un elevador.
So here we have the remote, guys, and then I'll show you guys the compressor and the tank underneath. That sound you hear, guys, that's the compressor filling up the tank. It's actually not too loud once you're in the truck and the truck is actually running. You don't really hear it. But there you have it, guys. The truck is bagged. Just the rear for now. Ford link coming soon, and then we'll get the bags in the front too. The truck's coming out 100. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, guys. Make sure to turn on the bell notification to get notified for every video I post. And I'm still doing the 100 likes on each video gets a free decal for somebody. So make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Get entered to win the free decal. And yeah, guys, catch you guys in the next video.